by the way, tell me what you guys think about, the how the movie like they're walking in the jungle and then we see Lee flying in the universe like Katy Perry and just like
Fake, by the way. Everyone's saying that they didn't go to space.
I believe they
I
didn't
digress.
go.
I
Oh
digress, but
God.
yes.
But I had to throw that in there.